Most people trust their numbers because they look clean, balances seem right, reports feel complete, and nothing appears broken until confusion says in and bad decisions follow. In this video, we will break down reconciliation in a simple, practical way. By the end, you will clearly understand what reconciliation is, why it matters, and how it's actually done in real world. Reconciliation isn't about perfection, it's about confidence. When records align, decisions are based on reality, not assumptions. Without reconciliation, small errors go unnoticed and quietly compared into bigger issues. Think of reconciliation as a safety check. It doesn't slow work down, it prevents only misunderstandings later. Whether you are a student or a freelancer, this skill protects clarity and decision quality. What is reconciliation? Reconciliation means comparing two independent records that should reflect the same activity. You check whether they match, identify any differences, or investigate the reason behind them. The goal isn't just to find mismatches, it's to explain and resolve them. Once the differences are understood, the records become reliable again and can be trusted for decisions. Simple real world example. You record your cash internally and then compare it with your bank statement for the same period. The numbers don't match. That's where reconciliation starts. A mismatch doesn't automatically mean an error. It means something needs explanation. There can be many causes like timing differences, missing entries, or bank processing delays. Common causes of differences. Most reconciliation issues are routine. Transactions may appear in one record earlier than another, or entries may be missed or duplicated due to manual handling. The key is not to panic but check methodically. Once reviewed carefully, most differences have clear, logical explanations. Types of reconciliation. Goes beyond cash. Businesses also reconcile customer accounts, supplier balances, and internal records against each other. The process is the same for all types. Compare records, spot differences, and resolve them logically. Step by step reconciliation process. Reconciliation works best when done systematically. Start by matching entries that clearly agree, then focus on the unmatched items. Investigate the reasons for differences and update records as needed. Following this step by step approach keeps the process efficient, manageable, and repeatable. Matching numbers is easy. The real skill is explaining why they don't match. That's where judgment and insight matter. Next, we will explore how professionals analyze unmatched items and resolve them logically. How to investigate differences. Investigating differences is like detective work. Check this to spot timing issues and review supporting documents to verify amounts. Tracing each entry back to its source helps identify missing, duplicated, or incorrectly recorded items, ensuring records are accurate and reliable. Practical scenario. Imagine a payment was sent but hasn't cleared yet. This explains the difference without any correction, or an expense might be recorded twice. Reconciliation helps such issues and shows exactly what needs adjustment. Pause and think which reason fits this mismatch timing, error, or a missing entry. Ask yourself this each time your records don't match. Practicing this way trains your thinking, making reconciliation faster and less stressful. Common mistakes to avoid. Ignoring small differences can let bigger problems build over time. Rushing adjustments or reconciling irregularly reduces accuracy. Reconciliation works best when done carefully and consistently. Why this skill matters long term. Reconciliation builds trust in your recourse, making planning clearer and decisions more confident. Reliable records reduce confusion and errors, which is why businesses treat reconciliation as a core habit, not an optional task. Quick recap. Reconciliation is straightforward. Compare records, identify differences, explain them, and resolve any issues. Follow this simple framework consistently. It's practical, repeatable, and keeps your records reliable. Reconciliation isn't about complexity, it's about clarity and discipline. Practice makes it easier and more intuitive over time. In future videos, I will cover reconciliation in greater depth with a strong focus on advanced concepts and hands on practical work in Excel. If this helped, drop a comment on what topic you would like us to break down next, step by step. Thank you very much.